how's it going? It is solo collecting. So continuing on with my Phantasmal Flames lineup. Today I've got myself the 3-pack blister featuring Weavile. So for Phantasmal Flames, the 3-pack blisters come with either Weavile or Sneasel. Unfortunately, I was not able to get Sneasel. I was able to snag Weavile. So here we go, 3 packs. Now historically, if you've watched my videos, which I encourage you to do, they're really short videos, I've had really great luck with 3-pack blisters. Anything that I've opened in groups of 3s, I would normally have really good luck with. So we're gonna hope that we're gonna get the same luck here. So 3 packs of Phantasmal Flames, well, both with Mega Heracross, and 1 with Mega Lopunny. And of course, for Cosmos Foil Weavile. Let's start off with actually no, let's start off with one of the Mega Heracross packs here. And I guess we're doing the opening the different way this time. Here we go. Got ourselves Gloom, Garvana, Yamper, Vibrava, Haunter, Punk Helmet, Cresselia. That's a beautiful artwork right there. Reverse Cerulege, a Reverse Jumbo Ice Cream, Nagius EX. So we're starting off strong. We got a nice hit for our first pack. All right, moving on to our second pack. Let's go with the Mega Lopunny pack this time. Bolton, Sandile, Charmander, Bronzor, Gliscor, Cerulege, Wigglytuff, Reverse Yamper, Reverse Punk Helmet, a regular rare Moltres. Alright, last pack for this video. Doing get some last pack magic on this Mega Heracross pack. Blygarth, Plummy, Piplup, Charmander, Linoon, Honchkrow, Cresselia, Reverse Meloetta, and an illustration rare Dugong. Nice. And the Genesect hits from our 3-pack blister. Let's go.